Check out this 2015 Chevrolet Cruze LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, MP3 player, Bluetooth connection and auxiliary audio input. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.